Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about deep link to Flutter. Select Android, need create project, then add information to Android manifest to Flutter project, Android app, CRC, main, Android manifest, then add information, add scheme HTTP and HTTPS, write example art programs .ru. If we can use path pattern, write Android path pattern and the example product. Then if we can get information after product, write this construction. Remove this information, open Android emulator and test deep link. Copy this command, then we open terminal, add information, and we can open application, use deep link. Now we speak about iOS, open iOS, and need open Xcode, then capability, write domains and select associated domains. Add domain, write art programs.ru, then we add app links, save. Now we open info list, check URL types, then need create file Apple App Site Association, then this file add path web domain .well-known Apple App Site Association, and when the file will be available we can test use this command. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.